Hi guys, another problem on Euclidean Geometry for both grade 11 and grade 12, right? If you don't know my name, it's Tiniso Lamini. Anyways, let's start solving this problem. It looks really interesting. The statement that we're given, always check the statement. We are given that BE is a tangent to the circle of CEG, right? So this is the tangent. I'm just going to indicate it here. This is the tangent, right, to this entire circle, this circle here, right? So and we're also given that AE is equals to EC. So AE from here to here is equals to, so AE, let me use a different color. So AE is equals to EC. So if these are equal, therefore the base angles will be equal, right? Isosceles triangle, if you remember. So that's what we're given, and you're asked to prove that. Let me just erase this. So you're asked to prove that AG, this part here, oops, I drew some type of way. So this part here, AG, right, this one here, is equal to GD, this one here, right? So we have to prove that this is equal to this, right? So the first step that we're going to use is as follows. So this is an interesting problem, by the way. If you believe that you can solve it, just pause this video and solve it, and let's see if you'll be able to get what I got. Anyways, prove that AG is equal to GD. So this is what I'm going to do. We're going to start off with the tangent, right? BE, right? This is the tangent, right? And I want you to see this. There's actually a chord here. There's a chord here, right? And then there's two behind it, that chord, right? So this here, this angle here, which is E2, is equals to D. Hope you can see that, right? So that's what I'm going to write first. I'm going to say E2, angle E2, what am I writing? Angle E2 is equals to angle D. What's the reason? Tan chord theorem, right? And then another thing I'm sure you all can notice is that angle D is equals to angle C. Remember, we're trying to prove that AG is equals to GD, right? So angle D is equals to C. So what's the reason for that? I'm sure you can see this diagram here. I'm just going to indicate it with this. So this here, right, and it looks like this, and it looks like this, and it looks like that. So this angle here is equals to this one, and also this equals to this one. Remember, angles on the same segment. Yes, so that is that. So hence I say angle D is equals to angle C. So I'm just going to write that down. Angle D is equals to angle C. Reason is angles on the same segment. Angles on the same segment, right? And then the same angle C, right? If you take a look, this angle C, remember I stated when we started this video, this angle C here is actually equals to A1. Angle C is equals to A1. We were given that, right? But we're not given that AC is equals to A1. We were given that this statement here, AE is equals to EC, right? If AE is equals to EC, it creates a, so it means that we're now having an isosceles triangle. If this is equals to this, therefore the base angles will be equal. Therefore C is equals to A, right? So once we reach this stage, I hope you guys are noticing what's happening here. Because for us to prove that AG, right, for us to prove that AG is equal to GD, we have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. And we've done that. We've proven that angle D is equal to angle A1. How? Remember we started off with E2 and then we got D. So we came all the way from D up until A1. So now we've proven that angle D, so you can just conclude that angle D is equals to angle A1, right? Therefore, you can state proven, and then you also continue and say Therefore, AG is equals to GD. You state the reason. Reason is isosceles triangle, right? So you're done solving this problem. Interesting, right? Please let me know in the comment section if you struggle solving any problem, either on this video or the previous video that I've done. And if you have any suggestions or like problems that you want me to do, let me know in the comment section. I will do them. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and take care.